Hi, welcome to Apify, your one-stop shop for web scraping and automation. The image sharing social media platform Pinterest has over 442 million active users worldwide, with over 2 billion searches performed there every month. With those impressive statistics, it's not surprising that there are many benefits to scraping Pinterest. Here are 3 top reasons to scrape Pinterest. You can find relevant content and filter out all the unrelated photos to find the exact visual content you are looking for. Pinterest can function as a virtual store catalog for your products. By extracting Pinterest data, you can keep track of your users' reactions and preferences. By having access to products, reviews and pricing, you can keep track of your competition and adapt your sales strategy accordingly. So, now you have 3 good reasons to scrape Pinterest. It's time to show you how to extract Pinterest data in 5 easy steps. First, go to the Pinterest scraper page on the Apify website. Here you can find an in-depth explanation of the scraper and its features in the README section, so don't forget to read it if you want to know more about what the tool can do. Now just click on Try for free to get started. If you don't already have an Apify account, take a minute to sign up. There is no credit card required, and you get $5 of credit every month. Otherwise, just log right in. Once we're on the Pinterest scraper page, let's create a new task. Tasks in Apify allow you to save your setup so you can easily repeat and schedule future runs. In the input options, insert the URL or profile name you want to scrape. Set the maximum pins per profile you want to extract, then hit the Start button to get scraping. Once the run has finished, go to the Dataset tab to see your results. You can preview and download them in several formats. As a bonus step, we are going to show you how to schedule your task to run automatically. Go to the Schedules page in Apify console. There you will find the Create New button. Just click on it to create your schedule. Next, go to the Tasks tab and click on the Add Task button. Select the Pinterest task that we just created and save it. Now go back to Task Settings and choose a name for the task. For example, My Pinterest Task. You can choose how often you want the task to run by defining it in the cron expression field. You can set it to run daily or weekly by typing @daily or @weekly. Finally, click Save and you're done. If you want an overview of your active tasks, simply go back to the Schedules page. Another great feature of the Apify platform is that you can integrate it with your favorite web apps like Zapier or Make, so you can use the data across different platforms such as Slack, Facebook and WordPress. This will help you further automate your work process. Well done! You are now a web scraping master. That's all for our Pinterest scraper, but if you're interested in extracting even more data from the web, you can visit Apify Store to access hundreds of ready-to-use tools that can help you with your web scraping or automation projects. Also, if you have any questions related to web scraping and automation and are interested in joining a community of like-minded web scraping enthusiasts, feel free to join our Discord channel, link in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other web scraping videos you'd like to see. That's it for now. So long, and thanks for all the likes.